In today's fast-paced world, building efficiency, comfort, and reliability are more important than ever. That's where WatchNET's IoT HVAC monitoring solution steps in. With a suite of cutting-edge long-range wireless sensors and a powerful IoT platform, managing your HVAC system has never been this smart or this easy. Our smart thermostats provide accurate, remote-controlled temperature regulation. Our wireless differential pressure and temperature sensor is perfect for monitoring airflow and ensuring HVAC systems are balanced and optimized. Our single-phase current meter keeps tabs on energy consumption to identify inefficiencies or power outages before they cost you. And our LoRaWAN Gateway is the backbone of connectivity. It's secure, has long range, and is able to support up to 2,000 devices per gateway. All data is transmitted securely through the LoRaWAN Gateway to the WatchNET Cloud, accessible anytime, anywhere through the mobile application. From predictive maintenance to real-time temperature control, the HVAC monitoring solution allows you to reduce energy costs, monitor and adjust conditions remotely, extend equipment lifespans, and increase building comfort. Quick to install, built to last, and designed for scalable deployment. Whether you manage a commercial building, healthcare facility, school, or industrial site, WatchNET's HVAC monitoring is the future of smart environmental control. Transform your facility's HVAC system into a smart, responsive ecosystem today. Visit WatchNetIoT.com or contact us by email at info@WatchNetIoT.com.